Hi guys, Lauren here, Product Development Manager at Tapestry. Welcome to the Setting Up Tapestry playlist. This course has been designed to walk you through the first steps when you purchase a new Tapestry account. Throughout, you'll also get to meet different members of the Tapestry team. We're going to take you through the basics of getting set up, so logging in for the first time and going through the setup screens, which include enabling frameworks you'd like to use and adding your term dates. Then adding children and colleagues, and finally setting up groups. Whilst the videos have been organised in the same order you'd go through the setup steps in real life, do feel free to skip to any specific sections directly. We have linked you to all of the videos and written tutorials for the steps we're going to discuss in the description below. One last thing, don't worry, you can't break Tapestry and nothing's irreversible. Everything we're going to go through can be changed or amended if you make a mistake or if you change your mind. If you have any questions at any point though, you can contact our lovely customer support team at customer.service@eyfs.info. Let's get started.